Hello there, welcome to Genesis Models. My name is Bobby Waldron and welcome to the Lockdown GB final vlog. This is going to be a vlog letting you guys know who won the Lockdown GB and showing off all your work in a nice little montage. Now this has been a fantastic Lockdown GB. It's been all about the fact that we've all been in lockdown and we've had loads and loads of time on our hands, and it was all about getting together and just having a nice, fun, friendly group build to come together and just, you know, kill a load of time doing modeling. And it has been a fantastic turnout. We've had absolutely loads of people enter, loads of people finish their work, and you know, actually we've had so many when it comes to kind of when you see the montage of everybody's work at the end here. I normally do about 3 photos of everyone's work, but because there was, I do believe, about 45 of you who actually finished, for me to do that you'd have to see 135 photos, so sadly I've had to bring it down to just 1 photo each, right? So you know, it's a shame about that, but at the same time it's fantastic so many of you entered a piece for this Lockdown GB. So now what we're going to go and do is we're going to announce the winner and show off their work. So here we are on the Genesis Models website, and here we are with the Lockdown GB. So just to announce that the 3 prizes that are going to be going now are going to be for a 3rd place 1/72 scale Beaufighter, a 1/48 scale Sea Fury FB11 for 2nd place, and 3rd place is going to get the 1/72 scale Buccaneer. So let's just get started with 3rd place. Now I like 3rd place because it is a nice original piece, and this is by Chopper Nutter, so congratulations to you, Chopper Nutter. You are our 3rd place winner. You built a nice original piece which I felt really sort of brought the essence of the Lockdown GB, in the sense that it was just coming together, having fun, building something nice and fun, working together and just killing some time over the lockdown period. And hopefully, as you can see with this chessboard, I like how he has picked the colours that still makes it look like one piece, but you can still clearly also see the difference between the 2 different colours squares, so it really sort of brings it together really nicely. If you look closely, we've got all sorts of foliage going on here. I do believe there's like little weeds and all sorts of bits going on, as well as it brings woodwork to the scale modelling world as well, which, as you could see, nice bit of woodwork going on there also. If we scroll down a little bit, we'll see the actual chess pieces on here, and they do make it look really cool. So really nice original piece there, and congratulations to Chopper Nutter, which now brings us to 2nd place. So for 2nd place, I decided to pick Gak. So congratulations you, Gak, you are 2nd place winner, and that was for your 1/48 scale Tamiya HE219A7. Really nice piece here. What I really liked about this is just generally all round this was a really nice professional piece. Just all aspects of it was done really well, from the deckling to the spraying to the building, you know, the whole cockpit area, absolutely everything, and it just all round looks a really nice piece. With this one as well, I did look into the build side of it, the whole build thread, and it shows more than what you see in the final reveals. I mean, in the build thread you could see all of the cockpit and how it went really nicely professional, really neat, tidy, well weathered, and really sort of professionally done. Hopefully you can agree, really nice spray work as well. It looked really sort of nice, neat, you know, not really rough, just very sort of nice, smooth, professionally sprayed on. So congratulations you, Gak, you are our 2nd place winner, which then brings us to 1st place. Now 1st place, we have this one just here. If we go to the top, it is Remy. Remy, you are our 1st place winner. I've got to be honest with you, you've done some fantastic work. It wasn't just this one, you also did a nice other couple of pieces, and they could have been winners as well, but this is a friendly, and it's not really fair if you win all the prizes, but you did really well in this Lockdown GB, and it was an absolute pleasure to see all of your work. But looking at this piece here, we have the 1/35 scale Tamiya German armored railway vehicle, the P204, which has everything in it. We've got dioramas, we've got figures, we got an armored car as well. As you can see,
From the figures, faces are well painted, the whole uniform and everything. The vehicle itself, we can see lovely rust going on here, really nicely realistic, not too overpowering. The whole vegetation going on around it as well. The vehicle itself has lovely weathering, streaks, and all the things you could put weathering onto a vehicle. It has it, and it looks amazing. This fence here as well, I mean, that looks amazing. You know, these little things all add up to an absolutely lovely piece. And the wheelbarrow, we've even got ducks and everything going on here. But again, with this one, if you look at the actual build thread, you will see inside here, I mean, you can't see it in the final reveals, but there is an absolute beauty of internal detail inside here, which was absolutely fantastic to look at and watch being built as we went along. So there we go, we have our winner, and congratulations to all 3 of our winners. I'll get these prizes shipped out to you free of charge. Just give me an email of your mailing address and I'll get that done for you. Sadly, this has now come to an end. I'm now going to leave you with everyone's fantastic work and a nice little montage showing off all your work that you've done over this lockdown. But until next time, as always, my name is Bob Waldron, this is Genesis Models, and I'll catch you around for the next GB.